Welcome to the Coolsys how-to videos. This video is for main office managers who want to know how to activate students. Let's start off in the applications page. Now let's say that you have an accepted applicant. The status appears as accepted in the applications page. If you go over to the students page, the same student now appears as approved in this page. So if the student is approved and is going to school, you will activate the student. If the student has decided that he or she will not attend the school, you must cancel the application. Now let's say that this is the case. Well, as you see, you can't cancel any students through this page, so you need to cancel them through the applications page. Since this student was previously accepted, you can see the student as cancelled in the students page. Only the students who got approved and cancelled will appear as cancelled on this page. Note that you can't delete a student. This is as far as you can go to cancel a student. You can also restore cancelled applications. I'll now show you how to activate the student. We first need an accepted student. Before you can activate a student, you need to make sure that your system is suspended. There are two things you need to do to activate the student. You will have to assign the student to a grade group, and you will have to enter the school entry date and code. If you haven't done those two things, this activate student button will direct you to them. So you can add the student to one of your existing grade groups. If you ever want to make any changes in this page, you will need to click the I know what I'm doing button. Now, a useful feature in this page is that when you assign a student to a grade group, you can auto-enroll them in all the courses of the grade group. If you want to enter the school entry date, you should go to the information page. To activate the student, you'll need the school entry date and code. Let's say you forgot to complete this part. If you use the activate student button again, you are taken to the same page. You can use this calendar icon to select a date. After those two steps, you will now be able to activate the student. Now, depending on your configuration settings, you may not get this message. You can configure Coolsys to automatically send a notification to the parent, or never to send a notification, or to ask you to send a notification. The student is now active and should appear enrolled in every course that the grade group is enrolled in. While working on these pages, you can always see the application of the student. You can always see the parent of the student. Now for transferred students, You can create a return application. You would have to fill in the same application info. Now let's see what an active student looks like in the applications page. As you can see, the student we activated shows up as complete in the applications page. And that's how you can activate students.